In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clone and reuse a module in your scenario. We'll begin by opening your scenario. Think of a scenario as the workspace where your automation or workflow lives. When you open it, the canvas should display the modules you've already set up, along with the connections between them. Make sure you're viewing the scenario in the editor, not just in a read-only preview. This ensures you can make changes and see them reflected immediately. If your canvas looks cluttered, a quick pan or zoom can help you get oriented, but the main goal here is simply to have the scenario open and ready. Next, locate the module you want to duplicate, and right-click it. A module is a building block on your canvas, usually a node or block that performs a specific action. Right-clicking opens a context menu with options related to that module. This is the fastest way to access tools without digging through the top menu. If your right-click doesn't respond at first, try clicking once to select the module and then right-click again to bring up the menu. From the context menu, click Clone. This instantly creates a duplicate of the selected module with the same configuration it currently has. Cloning is ideal when you want to reuse a setup without recreating it from scratch. The duplicate will appear near the original, typically with a slight offset so you can see both. Keep in mind that cloning copies the settings as they are right now, so if you recently adjusted the original module, those changes will be included in the clone. Now, drag the duplicated module to where you want it on the canvas. Positioning matters for readability and future maintenance, even before you connect anything else. Place it close to the part of the workflow where it will eventually belong, leaving enough space so lines and labels remain clear. If snapping is enabled, let it help you align with nearby modules for a clean layout. If the canvas scrolls while you drag, pause briefly to recenter, then continue. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so you don't lose the cloned module or its placement. Look for the Save control in the editor's toolbar. Once clicked, wait for the confirmation or visual cue that indicates the scenario is up to date. It's a simple step, but it ensures your duplicate is preserved and ready for your next round of edits or testing. And that's it. Open the scenario, right-click the module, click Clone, drag the duplicate into place, and save.